In this video, we will talk about escape characters, that is, characters that are associated with some special meaning. /n means new line, /t horizontal tab, and /r carriage written, moving cursor from one location to another, and /b means backspace, /f form feed, that is to go to the next page, and /v is vertical tab, and /single quote, this is to consider a single quote as a symbol and not related to a string literal, and /double quotes to consider a double quote as a symbol. This is how we use, not related to a string literal again, and // that is to consider slash as a symbol. For example, directory path :python test filename.py. To consider this slash as a special symbol, we can use slash and slash again. So now let's see the demo. Let me go to PyCharm and create a file named escape characters. Right click and click on new Python file, and let's name it escape characters. And now let me add a comment. This program demonstrates escape characters. Now let me take a variable called name and assign a value Python programming to it, and let's try to print the variable name. Ctrl S to save the file and right click and run it. So now you can see the value of the name variable Python programming has been printed in the console. Now let's try to use the escape character /t. Let me copy the same code and let's give /t. Now let me save the code and execute the program. So now you can see /t, this is used to provide a space here. Now let's try to use /n. Let me copy the same code. Instead of /t, now let's give /n, that is for the new line. So now you can see Python and programming has been printed in the next line. So similarly, let me copy the same code again, and now instead of Python programming, let me give Python is easy to learn. And in order to consider this easy within single quotes, so we have to provide slash, and now if you run the program, so now you can see Python is easy to learn. So this easy is enclosed by single quotes, so /single quote. Now let me copy the same code, and now let's see how to give the double quotes. So let me take this easy in a double quotes. Let's give the slash, so that means this easy will be enclosed within double quotes, and that will be considered as a special symbol. So now you can see Python is easy to learn, and easy is enclosed by double quotes. So that is how you can use escape characters within a string. Alright, see you in the next video.